Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Asana templates for issue tracking and sprint planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Asana templates for issue tracking and sprint planning, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Templates option in the sidebar menu. Click on the Templates section to explore available options. In the search bar, type Issue Tracking to find relevant templates. Review the list of templates related to issue tracking. Select a template that fits your needs by clicking on it. On the template page, click the Use Template button. Choose the workspace or project where you want to add the template. Customize the template as needed by adjusting tasks, due dates, and assignees. After customization, click the Create Project button to finalize your setup. Next, repeat these steps to download a template for sprint planning. In the Templates section, search for Sprint Planning. Review the available sprint planning templates. Select one that aligns with your project goals. Click on the Use Template button again. Choose the appropriate workspace or project for this template. Make any necessary adjustments to the tasks within the sprint planning template. Finally, click Create Project to complete the download process for your sprint planning template. You now have both issue tracking and sprint planning templates ready in your Asana workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.